Welcome to this sacred space, my friends. Take a moment to settle in wherever you are. It really doesn't matter. Just get comfortable. This is your time to connect with the infinite energy that surrounds and flows through you. For the next 10 minutes, we're going to explore the ancient practice of qi breathing. Not just breathing air, but consciously inhaling life force itself. Now, qi is the Chinese version and the most widely recognized term, originating from Chinese philosophy and traditional Chinese medicine. I'm also an avid fan of Kung Fu, so that's probably why I use it, but it's also known as other names such as prana, ki, or mana. Prana is from the Hindu philosophy and yoga. Prana is the word for life force or breath. It's considered the invisible physical substance responsible for the body's life, heat, and maintenance. But we're going to refer to it as qi. Now let your body relax. Let your mind soften, and know that with each breath, you're about to tap into something truly powerful. First, let's establish our foundation. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Begin breathing naturally, just noticing the rhythm that's already there. Now slowly deepen each breath, feeling your belly rise first, then your chest. This isn't work, this is surrender. You're opening yourself to receive. With each exhale, release any tension, any stress from your day. And with each inhale, invite in fresh possibility. You're creating space for something beautiful to enter. Now here's where the magic begins. The air around you isn't empty. It's alive with qi, with pure life force energy. Ancient traditions have known this for thousands of years. The space between your fingers right now is humming with invisible power. As you breathe in, imagine you can see this energy. Maybe it's golden light, or maybe it's electric blue sparkles of energy dancing in the air. It doesn't matter, choose whatever feels right for you. This qi wants to be part of you. It's been waiting for your invitation. So as you inhale, don't just breathe in air. Consciously draw in this living energy. Feel it entering not just your lungs, but every cell of your body. You're not just a person breathing. You're a being of light, drinking in the essence of life itself. Now we get intentional. With your next inhale and palms facing upwards, around waist level, draw the qi directly from the palms of your hands, through your nose and into your heart center. Feel it gathering there like a warm, glowing sun. Hold it gently for around 3 seconds. Then let it circulate through your entire being. Inhale the focused qi into your heart or even your crown chakra. Hold, let it circulate, and exhale gratitude. Again, inhale golden life force, Feel it pooling in your heart space. Let it flow through every part of you. Exhale with thanks. Each breath is making you more alive, more awake, more connected to your true power. You're not just thinking about energy, you're becoming it. You've just remembered something your soul has always known, that you are energy, you are light, you are connected to infinite power. Beautiful. Now we're going to take 3 more conscious chi breaths. Knowing that we can return to this practice anytime, anywhere. Remember to start with your palms at waist level, and as you bring them up, feel the energy run up your spine and into your heart or all the way up to your crown chakra. Now we're going to be using a 4-3-4-3 breathing pattern. I use a 6-3-6-3 pattern, but you use whatever feels comfortable for you. I will ring the chime to start the inhale and ring the chime again to start the exhale. So here we go. Hold. Beautiful. 2 more. Hold. Wonderful. 1 more. Excellent, friends. Now carry this awareness with you. Every breath is an opportunity to drink in life force. Every moment is a chance to remember who you truly are. On hikes, on walks, on runs, during meditation, sitting, or lying down. I want to thank you for sharing this sacred space with me today in your presence. It's truly a blessing. Until next time, keep breathing consciously. Now take this final minute and a half or so to just listen to the guitar and practice this exercise.